Kajabi is one of the best tools when it comes to monetize your audience. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to use Kajabi to sell online courses. Let's get started. If you go to Kajabi's website, you'll get this 14-day free trial offer. But if you use the first link given in the video description, you'll get an extended trial for 30 days. So make sure to use that link to sign up for Kajabi. Once you are logged in, you'll see an interface like this. This is Kajabi's dashboard, and you can manage your entire online business from this left menu. If you go to the Get Started button on the left, you'll see a step-by-step checklist, which you can follow to set up your business. But for now, I am not going to follow this, as most of the steps here are self-explanatory. Instead, I will only show you the most important features of this tool, such as launching a product, creating a sales page, etc. I'll start with adding our first course. To do that, we need to go to Products, and then go to the Courses option. Now, click on the Get Started button. Here you need to enter the course name and description. Next, we need to customize the course appearances. Here we need to select the primary color and the accent color, and then you can also add your course thumbnail image here. You can use a tool like Canva to design your thumbnail, and then upload the image here. Next, we need to set a price for our course. For now, I will keep it as a free course, and then click on this Next button. Now Kajabi will generate an outline for your course using AI. This may take a few seconds, and then you'll get a complete course outline, which you can customize as per your needs. Once it's done, click on this Continue button to further customize your course. Here, you can see our course title, and when we scroll down, you can see that Kajabi has created this course module using AI. There are 3 modules here, and each module contains 3 lessons. And if I click on this dropdown, you'll see different lessons on each module. Now, these modules are not bad, but I want to show you how to create modules and lessons from scratch. So I will simply delete all these pre-made modules. We can delete these modules by clicking on this trash icon. But before we do that, we need to delete these lessons manually. Only then we will be able to delete the modules.
A few moments later.
Alright, we've deleted all the modules and lessons. Now to add new modules, I'll click on this Add Content button and select Module option. Here, I can enter the module name and description, and we can also add an image for the module. And then click on this Create Module button. Once the module is created, I can click on this Add Content button once again, and then we can add submodules, lessons, and quizzes, etc. For now, I will add a lesson here. Simply enter the lesson title, and then click on Create Lesson. And then I will repeat the same process again and again to create more lessons. To add quizzes here, click on Add Quiz, and then simply enter the questions and answers here. For my course, I will not add quizzes. I will only add different lessons here. Okay, I've added all the lessons here. Now, we need to add our course content here. To do that, I will simply select any lesson and then click on this pencil icon. And now I can easily add content in this lesson. I can add written content, video courses, and simple audio lessons as well. For now, let's select the video option and then click on Pick File option. Here, I can directly upload my course from my computer. Kajabi offers its own course hosting feature, so you don't need to worry about the security of your content. You can also add some written content in this section. You can add PDF and images from this Add File button. And you can also add a thumbnail image for this video. Simply click on Select Image and then click on Upload Image, and then upload your thumbnail here. Then hit the Save button and confirm, and the thumbnail will be added to the video. You can also directly play the video and then click on this option, which will then capture the current video frame, and then use it as your lesson thumbnail. Next, go to Status option and set this lesson as published. And then hit the Save button to save your changes. And then I will go back and repeat the same process with other lessons. I will click on this Edit Lesson button, and then I will upload the course content from here. Then I will click on Select Image and then upload the thumbnail as well. Lastly, I will set the lesson as published and then save the changes. And we need to repeat the same process until we upload every single lesson of our course.
5 minutes later.
All right, I've added all the lessons here, and now I will simply set these lessons as published. And we also need to set the modules as published as well. You can also lock certain modules, which is another great feature. But for now, I will simply publish all the modules. Okay, we've published all the lessons here. Now, if you click on this little eye icon, you'll see a preview of your course dashboard. This is how your course and lessons will appear to the enrolled members. You can see all the lessons here, and you can also see the thumbnails for each lesson. If the student clicks on the Start Course button, it will take him to the first lesson. Okay, now let's say that I want to customize the look and feel of this course dashboard. To do that, I will come back to the dashboard and then click on this Customize option. From here, you'll be able to customize the look and feel of your course page. You can click on this Install Template button, where you'll find lots of different templates that you can use for your course page. You can preview these templates by clicking on this Preview button. This will give you a preview of how your course will appear in the template. And if you like the template, you can simply select it and then click on this Install button. And the template will be installed to your Kajabi course section. Simply go to this Installed Templates option, where you'll find the recently installed template. If we click on Customize, it will take us to the template editor. From this editor, we can add or delete more options from this page and make it more attractive. Simply select any section you want to edit, and you'll get the editing option on the left menu. On the top, you'll see different device icons. You can preview this page on different devices from here. For now, I will only make some minor changes on this page. For example, I can change the text of this announcement bar. I can even remove this entire announcement bar from the left settings. But for now, I will keep it here. Of course, I will change this logo with my own content. To do that, I will change the logo type to text. Next, I will type the course name here, which will then be visible in the header. Also, make sure to preview the changes in all devices. Next, I will go to the footer and then change the dummy details. And then we can also add our social media links here. Okay? Now I will save all these changes by hitting the Save button, and then I will exit the editor. Next, I will click on Installed Templates once again. Here, I will go to the 3 dots and then click on this Activate button. And the newly installed theme will be activated for this course. Next, we have the Offer tab here. Here you can see that the course is set to free. I will later show you how to convert this into a paid course as well. Next, we have a Customer tab, where you'll find the information about all the people who have purchased this course. Since we have no customers yet, this section is completely empty. We also have the Certificates tab here. If you enable this option, you'll be able to provide certificates to your students. Simply fill in all these details, such as your logo, certificate titles, and other details. I won't explain this in detail as these are self-explanatory things. Lastly, we have the Settings tab here. Here you'll find the title, description, and course cover image that we uploaded at the beginning. You'll see other options here that you can enable based on your requirements, and then make sure to save all your changes. Alright, we've published our first course now. The next step for us is to create a sales page to sell that course. But before we do that, we need to connect a payment gateway with Kajabi so that we can easily receive payments from our students. To do that, we need to go to Settings on the bottom left. Here, you'll see dozens of options. The one that we need to look for is this Payment Integration option. When you click on it, you'll see the option to connect your payment gateway. Kajabi has its own payment gateway, but it doesn't work in every country. So, we can add a third-party payment gateway to receive payments. So, I will click on this button, which will take me to the Integrations tab. Here, you will see all the tools that you can integrate with. We have some email marketing tools here, and then we also have 2 payment providers here. We can use either one of these. Both are good payment providers. For now, I will connect my account with PayPal. So, I will click on this Connect with PayPal button. This will take me to PayPal directly. Here, you need to enter your email and select your country. Next, we need to enter our PayPal account password here and then click on Login. Next, you'll see some guidelines here. So, click on Agree and Continue button. If you see this thank you message, then it means that our PayPal account is now connected with Kajabi. But if you get any error message, you need to repeat the entire process again to connect the account. Next, I will go back to my Kajabi account. And now it's time for us to set up our sales pages. But before that, we need to convert our free course into a paid one. Only then we will be able to create an offer around the course. So, I will go to Courses now, and then click on these three dots, and then click on Edit Details. Next, I will go to Offers and then click on this free course. As you can see, the course price is set to free for now. To change this, I will go to the Pricing tab. Here, under Payment Details, I will change it to one-time payments. Next, I will enter my course price here and then select the currency. We also have some other options here, so feel free to enable or disable them as per your need. In the payment provider, I will enable the PayPal option. And then I will save all these changes. Alright, finally it's time to create a sales page for this course. To do that, I will go to the Marketing tab on the left and then go to Funnels option. Here, click on this Get Started button. As you can see, we have so many different types of funnel here. For example, we have the waitlist funnel, which is to collect data about a product before you even create the product. We have a freebie funnel, which is a great way to generate leads and nurture them. We have the sales page funnel, which contains a sequence of 8 emails, which will nurture the audience and ask them to buy your offer. We have product launch, Sunny webinar, ebook funnel, and many more options. But for now, I am only looking for a simple sales page. So I will go ahead with the simple sales page funnel. You can also go ahead with a blank page and create your entire funnel from complete scratch if you want to. Or you can simply choose one of these funnels and then customize your offer around it. After all, these funnels are created by experts and are proven to convert more visitors into customers. Some of my personal favorite funnels are this sales page funnel, freebie funnel, and this simple sales page funnel. For now, let's get started with the simple sales page. Here, we need to enter a funnel name. Next, for the offer, we will select our paid course here, and then click on Create Funnel. Okay, so this is our simple two-step funnel which has a sales page and a checkout page. Let's start with the sales page first. When you click on it, it will open up the sales page template. As you can see, this is already a well-structured sales page, and we only need to replace these dummy content with our own product information, and we'll be good to go. When you click on any element of the page, you'll get the editing option on the right bar. I can change this element width, for example. Next, I want to change this text. So, on the right side, I will select this entire text on the right and then replace it with my own text. I will do the same with the description text as well. We do have some other settings here. For example, here we have the call to action option. If we enable this option, it will add a call to action button in this section. For now, I will disable this as I don't want the call to action to show at the first section of the page. Next, we also have the typography settings here. Next, we have the background settings, and then we have some other settings here as well. We can set animations on this section from the animation settings. Next up, we have this video element. Here, we can upload our VSL file. VSL stands for Video Sales Letter, which contains all the info about your product. And that's the main element of the sales page. To add the VSL, click on this Video Action button. Then we can either upload a new file or select an existing file. As you already know, we've uploaded many videos when we were publishing the course lessons. All those lesson videos are available in this recent video section. For now, I will select this video as a VSL and confirm. Next, we can upload a thumbnail for the video here. I will upload this recent thumbnail here. Next, we can decide the player's accent color here. Okay, this section is also complete now. Next, we need to customize the call to action button. First, I will add some text above the button. Next, I will change the call to action to Buy Now or Order Now. In the button action, you'll have different options. Since we are making the sales funnel, the most obvious option is this Go to Next Pipeline Step option. Next, we have the button width, button styles, and other options. I can also increase or decrease the border radius of the button. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. Next up, we have this 3-column section where we can add our product's benefits. These sections are made with text and images. I personally like to add graphics and icons for these sections. To find icons for this section, I will go to a website called Flaticon. Here you'll find thousands of icons that you can use for absolutely free. Simply search for the icon that you want, and then you'll get hundreds of different icons here. Choose the one that you like and then download it as a PNG or a JPG file. You can download 3 icons every single day from this website. Next, go back to the sales page editor, click on Select Image, and then upload your icon here. Next, when you click on this text, you'll see the editing option on the right. Here, we need to mention the benefits of our course. You can also share some values, who made the course and what bonuses will your buyers get after purchasing the course. And you need to repeat the same steps in the other 2 columns. Simply download the icons from Flaticon, upload them on the image section, and then enter your course benefits here, and do it with the 3rd column as well. Alright, we've completed these features and benefits sections too. Now, we have the testimonial section. Here you need to enter your students' review. If you are launching a completely new course, then it's obvious that you won't have testimonials about your course. In this case, I recommend that you provide the course for absolutely free to some users in return for their testimonial. That's an easy way to collect good quality testimonials. Okay, once you have gained some testimonials, you can add them on this page. For now, I will simply add a dummy testimonial here. First, we need to add the user's image here. So I will go to Select Image and then upload the customer image here. Make sure to crop the image and resize it, and only focus on the face. And then hit the Save button, and then hit the Upload button here. Next, we only need to enter the testimonial here. So select the testimonial and then enter the review on the right bar. You can also add your customer's name and his position. Okay, now the testimonial section is also complete. Last but not least, we have this final call to action section. For the title, I will simply copy the text from the first section and then paste it on this section. Next, I will add the description here. And then we have the call to action. So, I will go to Call to Action settings. Here, I will change the button text. Next, for the button action, I will set it to Go to the next step. Lastly, I will change the background color of the button from here. And I will also change the first background color as well. Now, before we save this page, it's important to preview the page in mobile device, as over 50% of online purchase happens through mobile devices. Here, you can see that this section is not aligned perfectly. I will select this section, then in the right settings, I will go to Mobile Layout, and then set the alignment to center. Okay, our page design is complete now. Now I will save all the changes we've made so far. And now let's go to the checkout option on the left. Here, you'll see a lot of different options regarding the course. These are very self-explanatory, and you can simply enable or disable them as per your need. I will simply click on this Select Image option and upload the course cover image here once again. And then I'll save the changes. Before launching the course, make sure to have a look at all the settings. Make sure to recheck the info in the pricing tab. We also have upsells and other settings here. We also have this Edit Checkout button, which will take you to the checkout page editor. As you can see, we have a nice and well-organized checkout page here. The only thing we need to change here is this text section. This is a great place to mention additional bonuses and resources that your customer will get after they purchase the course. For example, the course that I've added here is about how to set up an e-commerce store using Shopify. As a bonus, I can offer some weekly mentoring calls, some online store templates, and access to a private community. And I'll also mention the lifetime access to the course here. And just like this, our sales page setup is finally complete. Now we can exit this editor from here. Of course, we have the option to add more automations into it. But for now, I want to preview the sales page. So I will simply copy the sales page link from here, and then I will paste it on a new tab. This is the preview of our course sales page. Here, we need to make sure that everything is clearly visible and all the buttons are working. When I click on the call to action button, it should take us to the checkout page. Alright, the buttons are working fine, and the video is also working here. Now, I will close this preview tab and get back to the Kajabi dashboard. I can now share the sales page link with my audience and make money on autopilot. Okay, I've shown you how to launch your course on Kajabi and how to create a sales page for your course. Kajabi also has some amazing marketing features as well. In fact, it is like an all-in-one marketing platform for course creators. Apart from launching courses and making sales funnels, you can also create communities in this software. You can manage your course. Members are upsell them different products using email marketing. You can even create your own affiliate program, which will allow others to promote your course, which will make you a lot more money. But these are some of the most advanced features of Kajabi. And covering all the features within one video is not going to be helpful. That's why Kajabi has its own Kajabi University, where you'll get more in-depth guides and case studies on how to use these advanced features of Kajabi. If you use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description, you'll not only get access to the 30-day trial of Kajabi, but you'll also get access to Kajabi University. So make sure to sign up for Kajabi using that link. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.